Hey guys, how are you? Hi, Johan. Hi, how are you? So in today's live trading session, live trading webinar, personally, I want to talk about gold. Maybe this will be a quick session. Yeah, I'm expecting also. I'm waiting for your questions as well. If you have questions, if you want me to take a look on a specific market. But first of all, I want to talk about gold. And in the last minutes, yeah, actually, let's start with the risk disclaimer. And maybe my long setup was invalidated, but maybe I will look for both long and short setups, because right now it continues to move sideways. So here is the disclaimer, please read it. And about gold, right now it moves sideways, maybe it's trapped within a range pattern. So Gabriel, hi, how are you? Yassine, hi, how are you guys? So maybe this will be a quick session today, only because it's Friday, and only because we don't have something really good on the US dollar. Maybe we don't have something really good on the Japanese yen right now. So gold, earlier I was looking at something like this, okay, at a potential long setup from above these former highs, okay. And of course, if the price stays above the uptrend line, because please take a look here, something like rising wedge pattern, okay, that's retests and staying near the uptrend line. It has signaled maybe what long-term gold position do you think in the upcoming weeks? Kumar, long-term gold position do you think in the upcoming weeks? I don't know. Right now I'm looking for something like short-term, okay. No one knows actually. In the long term, in the medium to the long term, the bias remains bearish on gold. Please take a look here. But as I've said yesterday, guys, after jumping above and stabilizing above this immediate downtrend line, after stabilizing above this key level here, okay, the price of gold signaled that maybe it could extend its leg higher. It could jump higher towards the downtrend line, this major downtrend line. So that's why in the short term, personally, I'm looking for potential setups. Okay, one moment. So let's take a look here. Maybe something like this. I will select another color for this one. So it has dropped below the uptrend line, but as I've said maybe yesterday, only a new lower low, dropping, closing and stabilizing below 1783 could activate a potential deeper drop. Right now it has I don't know, it was let's see, if we had something like a flag or something like a channel, something like this, but I will delete this line here. Sorry. And downtrend line, its failure to make any lower low, maybe something like a bullish engulfing here, rally. Right now maybe this could be a retest, okay, retest. That's why maybe I'll wait here. I would like to, in 12 minutes this 1 hour candle will be closed, and it remains to see if it closes above the uptrend line or below the uptrend line. So this could be my potential long setup here, okay. But right now I'm still undecided about my my stop loss. Here is the pivot point, yeah, daily pivot point. Only false breakdown as support. Maybe after a strong rally it has reached the resistance, pivot point retest, and yeah, maybe I will take a look on my I will take a look if I can place this trade on my real account here, on our real account. Because so this is my my scenario. As I've said, its failure to stabilize below the uptrend line, sideways movement, and also maybe if this setup will be invalidated, guys. What is pivot point? Yeah. So maybe I will record a video tutorial about the pivot points. So these are pivot points, okay? These are daily pivot points. Please take a look here, okay? Daily pivot points, you can use them as support levels, as resistance levels, as targets or something. And also here I have R1 pivot point, weekly pivot point, the first resistance, second resistance, yeah. So you can find the pivot points here at indicators, okay, indicators, and you can type pivot points, and you can select pivot point standard, and yeah, you can use them in trading as Kumar, as potential resistance levels, support levels, targets, yeah. So yeah, I will take a look if I can place this trade. One moment. So I have gold here in our real account, yeah. Something like this. And also, as I've said, if this setup will be invalidated, if the price will stabilize below, if it will stabilize below the uptrend line, okay, I don't know, to make a new lower low here, to drop and close below this broken downtrend line, I will look for shorts maybe on Monday, okay, next week, and I will look for shorts something like this, maybe. One moment. Maybe from here, okay, maybe from below 1783. As I've said, that a new higher a new lower low could activate a potential downside movement, but right now the price failed to and maybe I will hide my stop loss here, and I don't know, something like this. But right now it's premature to talk about downside movement, as long as it stays here above this this level, above the daily pivot point, okay. So position size calculator, and I will send the setup also 99. I will send also the setup in the VIP group. Only in the VIP group. 55. So let's take a look. So yeah, we have something like a resistance zone, resistance area, but as I've said, maybe this will be my setup. It's a long setup here in gold, because why today was deleted the euro Japanese yen trade, yeah. So I will be waiting for a setup in the group. Thanks so much, yeah. So why let's take a look. I don't know. That was Orlando's. Yeah, I will come back here to place this trade. One moment. Let's take a look on this market. So I believe that Orlando deleted his pending order only because the price jumped and closed it above 137.61. It has reached its Sir, can you please send gold swing trade in the VIP? No, I don't have a swing trade. Yeah, I have but personally I didn't place the trade yet. Kumar, please be patient, okay? I didn't place the trade because I'm still thinking, because maybe I will take a short position after after what happened after this candle here. Yeah, something like a gap around this resistance. Yeah, so yeah, a strong sell-off here on Euro Japanese yen. It would have been a really great trade from Orlando. Yen basket. Yeah, it has found the support maybe here around these former highs, and right now it's trying to rebound. But I believe that we have bearish euro, strongly bearish euro. Please take a look here also on Euro USD, Euro British pound. Let's take a look. Sell off. Euro Swiss franc. Yeah, okay, because here we don't have something like a strong sell-off on Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, or let's take a look, British pound, Japanese yen now. So I've said, Mandela, hi, how are you? So we have strongly bearish euro right now. That's why that market crashed. So Australian dollar, Japanese yen, no. That's why Euro Japanese yen drops right now. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, it looks yeah, interesting, but only if the yen basket rallies. I have an ascending pitchfork here, and I will draw a descending pitchfork, and it has found resistance here on these former lows. But here on the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, I'm currently, USD, Japanese yen, I regret. Are you long, short on that US dollar, Japanese yen? Are you long or short on the US dollar, Japanese yen? So Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, and then I will go back to talk about gold. So yeah, we have support here. I would like to see retest here, okay, before dropping deeper. Yeah, not a good trading day today. Why not? Did you follow it or catch that silver long, Mandla? I'm long for now, but too slow. I don't know why I even placed the trade. Yeah, Mattia, these things happen. So sorry, no. Mattia, Japanese yen basket is above the trend line and it appears like an accumulation zone. Yeah, as I've said, it tries to rebound, but right now, in my opinion, and in the short term, the pressure, downside pressure is high. It remains to see. Okay. So about this market, right now, maybe staying above 104.33 and making a new higher high could signal potential growth. I will maybe come back with a potential trade on Monday here. Euro Japanese yen. Euro Japanese yen, strongly bearish right now. Yeah, Orlando's entry, I believe that it was here, like below, right below this this low, around these levels, and I believe that his stop loss was here, right above this former high, and only because the price jumped above this key level, it has maybe deleted, it has deleted his. It has deleted its setup, its pending order, but yeah. So gold, let's take a look. Maybe it could hit 134.99. Who knows? Yeah. So gold. Gold, gold, gold. So I will place the trade right now. In gold, and I will send it to the VIPs. Yeah. And maybe I will send it to the VIPs. Or actually, yeah, I will send it to the VIPs. So sideways movement on gold. Yeah, sideways movement in gold right now. Okay, so my trade, I will one moment, because I want to share the trade in the VIP group. So if you are a free member, you will not have the setup in the group, and also you will not have my my trade management. You will not have my trade management. You will not know when to manage the position, or to take profit, or to, I don't know, move the stop loss at break even, or yeah. $22. Okay, so okay, I've sent the trade in the VIP group, and as I've said, guys, if this setup will be invalidated, then maybe and probably I will look for potential shorts. As I've said, I will look for potential shorts, because here we have a resistance zone, strong resistance zone, resistance area, and I will look for shorts only from below 1783. Okay, let's invite more members. Okay, so please, guys, if you have questions, waiting for your messages, for questions. What? So can you look for one moment to yeah, one moment. Okay, you can still join my webinar, of course, if you want. So yeah, this is the setup. I will hide it from here, and I will come back with my update and with my trade management into the VIP group if the price of gold reaches my entry, okay, here in gold. And as I've said, guys, I will look for potential shorts only from here maybe, and I don't know, it remains to see if the price jumps above these former highs, or if it fails to make a new higher high, then I will I don't know, place my stop loss here, or I know higher. And I don't know, this pattern, this rising wedge, if the price action activates this rising wedge pattern, bearish pattern, I don't know, maybe we'll have a strong downside movement. Yeah. So right now I will keep my my pending order, my buy stop. As I've said, I've sent my trade in the VIP group. I've shared my trade in the VIP group, and as I've said, if you are not a VIP member, you will not have my exact levels, and you will not have my my trade management, which is really important, because I don't know if the sentiment changes. I will I don't know, manage my position. I will I don't know, close my position at break even. I will take profits. I will cut the risk or something. So yeah, that's why it's important to have my management, trade management. And yeah, as I've said, I will look for shorts only if this if the upside scenario will be invalidated. Euro currency index, let's take a look for Mattia. Okay, sell off. Yeah, sell off right now here, and I believe that this sell off signaled that the euro is strongly bearish right now. But also here I talked about this this flag pattern. It was invalidated in the short term on the euro versus the US dollar, only because the prelim consumer sentiment, this high impact US indicator, came in better than expected. It has increased it from 51.5 to 55.1, above far above 52.5 expected. So better than expected US data here, prelim consumer sentiment, also prelim inflation expectations 5.0% versus 5.2% sorry, in the previous reporting period. So that's why the US dollar rallied in the short term. Why gold bullish, you think? So Rohit Kumar talked about gold a lot, and I've said that after failing to make a new lower low here, after at least it has failed to approach and reach these levels, it has came back above the uptrend line. It has taken out this resistance, staying here above the uptrend line, and taking out this major resistance zone could signal a potential further growth. So this is the thought process. And personally, I've sent my how much sell if we can expect, Mattia, on the euro index. Let's take a look. I don't know. I don't know, but please take a look here. Please take a look here. Key level, okay. False breakdowns, rebound. It has came back higher to retest these former lows. Sell off, breakdown this time, rebound, and I don't know if it stays stabilized below 973.5. It could extend its bit sell off or something. Okay. But right now, let's take a look on 1 hour. So it challenges here this level, the pivot point. So I want to see a valid breakdown here before dropping deeper. Okay. Because staying above this level and test retest false breakdowns could signal a potential new rebound. Maybe we'll have something like a flag here, a range pattern here. Okay, this is my opinion right now. About euro currency index. Please guys, if you have questions, more questions, I'm still here and I will try to answer to your questions. Please take a look here, also breakdown, but I would like to see test retest followed by a new lower low and then sell off. Okay, DXY. Why pound failing strongly? Will it go up? Pound Aussie and pound New Zealand dollar. What you are looking? Please tell me what you are looking at on those markets. So yeah, I will talk about the British pound. So British pound, US dollar. Actually, I should have started with this one because personally I've had a pending order here, but it has only retested this broken uptrend line and then it has escaped from this triangle. So Forex Factory. So unfortunately the can take a look on gold in 5 minutes time frame. Why do you want 5 minutes time frame? Please tell me what you are looking at on 5 minutes. Yeah, so today high impact United Kingdom economic data, gross domestic product 0.6% drop versus 1.2 drop expected. So better than expected. Prelim gross domestic product, construction output, industrial production, manufacturing production, prelim business investment, but so better than expected data. But as you can see here, and if you'll compare the data with the previous reporting period, you will notice that the UK reported poor economic data. Okay, so that's why, in my opinion, that's why the British pound crashed in the short term. Can you discuss GBP, New Zealand dollar? What you think? Where will it go? No, please, Kumar, please tell me what you are looking at. No, I will not tell you where it will go because no one knows if it will go up or down. Okay, please tell me what you are looking at. Please tell me your time frame. Okay, because maybe I will look for I don't know, potential setups on weekly and you want on 5 minutes. Okay, so no, this is not how it goes. Please tell me what you are looking at. And because personally I'm not trading too often on those markets: British pound, Australian dollar, British pound, New Zealand dollar, British pound, Canadian dollar, or something like this. New Zealand dollar analysis, please. Mandla, no, please tell me what you're looking at on that market. Okay, Okay, I'm looking for buy on long term GBP New Zealand dollar. Let's take a look. So you want to go long term. Let's take a look on daily. Yeah, from around these support levels, former lows, but you want to go long. I don't know. Right now, you want to go long from here. Yeah, you want to go long. I don't know, from here. Okay, so yeah, after this strong sell-off, we cannot exclude a temporary rebound or a strong rebound, but personally right now I don't see a buying setup here because it has dropped below this key level. Staying below it, it could drop maybe deeper towards this key level. Okay, so yeah, in the short term you can look for potential rebounds, but the pressure is high, the bias is bearish, and yeah, it could resume its sell-off. So no, personally I will actually, I said personally I'm not trading on these markets, so no. Yeah, maybe the indicators could indicate the potential actually no, something like bullish divergence. Right now, no. So I don't know. EuroCAD buy 1 hour, please, Isa. Let's take a look. EuroCAD 1 hour, 1 hour buy. So you want to buy at market, you want to place a buy stop. So it's really important, guys, to tell me what you are looking at, and you know. So why do you want to buy here? Please tell me, guys. Why do you want to go long on EuroCAD when the euro is strongly bearish? So retest here of this uptrend line, rebound, breakdown, and in my opinion, staying here could signal potential deeper drop. Okay, and only invalidating its breakdown and coming back here, test retest, could signal potential growth. This is my opinion. Buy market, please. It's your call. Okay, Isa. Personally, no, I don't want to trade on this market. Daily resistance or support. Let's take a look here. Strong sell-off, rebound, and here it has failed to make a new higher high, or at least to approach and reach this former high. And but you know, resistance 1.3192. So no, personally I don't want to go long on please take a look here. Major downtrend. Okay, yeah, so this is my opinion. So it's your call. Okay, so pit failure to make a new higher high, signaled strong downside pressure, and right now it has dropped below this uptrend line. And let's use more tools here. 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3. yeah. Okay, but as I said, in my opinion, or maybe yeah, I will look for potential shorts here if if it stabilizes below the broken uptrend line. Okay, I would like to see here test retests. Okay. Okay. So rebound here in the short term, but as you already know, after its failure to stay here, maybe above this downtrend line. So right now it challenges the downtrend line again, also the weekly pivot point. So maybe we have something like a confluence area here in the short term. Something like a confluence area. And it remains to see if it makes a new higher high, staying above the pivot point and above the downtrend line could signal potential growth. But if it invalidates its breakout, I don't know, we cannot exclude the potential drop. So in the short term, US dollar Japanese yen rallied and rebounded only because we have this strong rally here on the dollar index, and because yen basket, guys, because we had this but right now you can see that yen basket tries to rebound and the dollar index drop it, so that's why maybe euro Japanese yen retreated a little. It remains to see how it will react around that confluence area. Thank you guys, see you next time, bye bye. It seems that we have some technical problems. See you next week. I will come back with my updates, with my trade management on that gold into the VIP group and only in the VIP group, if of course if the price reaches my entry.